Hello guys, ever wonder what makes buying a used excavator a smart investment? Right behind me is one of the largest used excavator markets in the region. And here you will find a wide range of machines, all ready to take on your project. At MedLink, you can filter through a wide range of used excavators, like the mini excavators, choose by conditions, brand, and models. Here, you're not just buying an excavator. You're tapping into a massive, reliable supply chain. We connect you directly to this vast marketplace, not just any market, but one. Right behind me is the quality check factory. From checking hydraulic system to inspecting the engine, we make sure every machine is up to the specs. With MedLink, you can rest assured that every machine you browse has been fully inspected. We ensure quality, reliability, and transparency, all backed by the strength of our supply chain. And once you make your choice, we've got your back with exceptional after-sales support, everything from maintenance services to logistics. With MedLink, you don't just get a machine, you get a partner you can count on. Ready to make the smart choice? Visit MedLink today and find your next excavator with ease.